How to back up all data on Android before factory reset. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can back up all data on Android before factory reset. So without further delay, let's get started with our video. So for that, you need to open up settings in your device. Once you're under settings, scroll all the way down and tap on the Google. Here you have to choose your account that you want to back up your data on. Now once you're here, tap on all services. Here scroll down a bit and on the backup and restore, tap on backup. Once you're here, there you have in backup now button. Make sure you have enough storage in order to back up your data. Here, if you back up your device, all your application, your photos and videos, SMS and MMS messages, call history, your device setting and Google account data will be backed up. Or if you want to back up using your mobile or your metered Wi-Fi data, you have to turn on this toggle at the very bottom of this interface that says advanced setting. So if you have enough space in your Google account, you can simply tap on back up now, and then your device will automatically back up everything that is under this backup details before you factory reset your Android device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.